we're gonna go into security and I'm gonna try to tape and what's inside the security. There's a cute footprint. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an airport vlog and it's currently 4 a.m. I woke up at 3:45-ish and got ready and packed up the last minute things. So I'll see you at the airport. So right now we're in the airport and the lineup for the bag drop is very big. Right now we're going up the elevator to a train in the station to get our PCR test. Right now we're sitting down and eating breakfast that we brought home. Okay, so right now we arrived to the airport. I didn't film on the airplane and now we're gonna go into our hotel that's in the airport. So right now we arrived to our hotel room. We checked in early and the room is really nice. This vlog is gonna be pretty long because I have another flight at 1:30 a.m. soon. But not this night, tomorrow night. If you hear ringing, it's my sister playing with her dinosaur. Let me give you a little room tour. So obviously this is the door you enter, and then you see the bathroom right away, and that's me. And then I love these doors, it's like those rolling ones. Big beds, probably queen size beds. And that's the dinosaur plushie I was talking about just now.
You don't have the right to take a video.
This is the view from the room. You could see airplanes departing.
Wow.
I'm gonna get the jet side burger and my mom's gonna get the Pokeball and we're gonna share. There's a cute footprint for dogs and human beings. Dinner for tonight. We are gonna buy breakfast in this small cafe. I got a strawberry lemonade and I did not know this, but it's bubbly. The plane flew right there.
24 hours later.
So I forgot to update you guys. We basically did nothing. We just ate and watched some TV. And I am in the bathroom because it's the most quiet space. And my sister's probably coming too. And yeah, so at 1:30 a.m. technically tomorrow, I'm gonna restart the vlog again and start filming. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers. So update. We just finished eating dinner and we have about an hour left. But I think we're gonna go check in and my sister's coming at me with the luggage. Okay, so right now we just checked in and dropped our luggages off. So we're gonna go into security and I'm gonna try to tape and what's inside the security. Laptop. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!